The past continuous tense is a fascinating aspect of English that helps us convey actions that were ongoing in the past. It's formed using was or were followed by the verb ending in ing. Let's dive into its various uses with some clear examples. One of the primary uses of the past continuous is to describe an action that was happening at a specific moment in the past. For instance, imagine a scene where you were at a coffee shop last Saturday at 3 p.m. You could say, I was reading a book. This indicates that at that exact moment, the action of reading was in progress. Another important use is to set the background for another action. Picture this. I was walking in the park when I saw an old friend. Here, the past continuous tense paints a vivid picture of what was happening before the unexpected encounter. It gives context and depth to the narrative. We also use the past continuous to describe two actions happening simultaneously. For example, while I was cooking dinner, my partner was setting the table. This shows that both actions were occurring at the same time, highlighting the flow of events in our daily lives. Additionally, the past continuous can express a temporary situation in the past. For instance, I was living in New York for a few months. This indicates that my stay in New York was not permanent, but rather a temporary phase in my life. Sometimes, the past continuous is used to emphasize the duration of an action. For example, I was studying for hours. This emphasizes the length of time spent on studying, suggesting that it was a significant effort. We can also use the past continuous to describe an action that was interrupted by another action. For instance, I was taking a shower when the phone rang. This shows that the action of showering was ongoing until it was interrupted by the ringing phone. Lastly, the past continuous can be used to express annoyance or criticism about a past action. For example, I was always losing my keys. This implies a sense of frustration about the recurring nature of the action. In summary, the past continuous tense is a powerful tool in storytelling and everyday conversation. It helps us describe ongoing actions, set the scene, illustrate simultaneous events, and express temporary situations. By using this tense effectively, we can create a vivid picture of our past experiences, making our communication richer and more engaging.